Hi, my name is Kim Unger. I'm the marketing coordinator at the Pace of Richmond, and we're here at Red Day. Come on over.
See if they're there.
Yeah, so we are here doing a lot of painting today. It's a huge facility, bigger than what I had imagined as well. So
we have so many folks here in the community that are unhoused, and so we are here helping those that need the most help.
Red Day is my favorite day of the year, pretty much. And on this day, there's Keller Williams offices all around the world who are literally shut down, and hundreds, if not thousands of agents across the entire world are out there volunteering. Red Day stands for Renew, Energize, and Donate.
these are some of our amazing agents at Keller Williams, Richmond West, organizing an area that has products and some items that will make this place a lot more comfortable for people.
What we want to do here is make sure that the people that are often overlooked are getting the things that they need, and we want to do that to restore their dignity.
The best feelings I have throughout the year are all the times that I get to give back.